Debnath Art Hub.
Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a rainbow. Let's draw it. This is a black marker pen. Now we will draw a cute rainbow. This is a cloud. At first we will draw a cloud. This is a second cloud. Now we will draw the rainbow colors. Like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly. Otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Like that. Now we will use a dark marker for bordering. Yes, like that. Let's learn the color's name. Yellow color, purple color, orange color, sky blue color. Let's paint the cute rainbow. Yes, like that. At first we will use the sky blue color for the cloud. Cloud color is sky blue color. Now we will use the purple color for rainbow downside. Yes, like that. Now we will use the orange color. And at last we are using the yellow color for the rainbow top side. Upper side is yellow color. Yes, like that. And here we are complete our rainbow. How it is. Thank you dear friends. Bye bye.